Decided to open the door today. See what happens. Do some corn on the ground, give them a reason to come out and hang out. It's more than my usual number. Trying to see if any of the new guys are out here. I can tell by their leg bands. So far it's kind of hard to tell. So one of my babies is out. Take a good look here. It's one of my babies. Trying to see the dark green bands on some of these guys. They're double banded. Dark green snap band and a green band with a number on it. If it's not, they're not out yet. They're coming out now. This. Some don't know how to fly. Don't know how to land. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's new ones out. Here's a new one right there. They never flown before. Let them get out here and hang out. Aren't they beautiful? They're going inside my shop. I can't let them do that. I don't want them to crap on my furniture. Let me get some of this corn out of here for them. Out of the bag. They seem to really like that. Hang on a second. Got some really good feed. Look at this stuff. It's got molasses in there. All the feeds you could want. Man, the birds love it. Throw some seed down here. Give them a reason to come out. Reason to hang out. Come on, everybody. Come on. Y'all are hungry. Come on. You haven't been fed today. That's a new one because he don't know how to land. Just did. There you go. A little cockbird up there talking to the girls. Going back in. He must be chasing his girl back in. Yeah, he chased her right back out. Here she comes. Here he comes. There he is. Count 20 right there. Plus 2 up there. Plus 1 up there. The other ones are wanting to come out and look at them. Like, what's going on out there? Let's go find out. That's a new one. He's got the band. He's got the double band. Some of my birds that I got from this guy, running water, some of them were banded. Some weren't. But most of them had some kind of a band on them. Red, blue, green. I cut them all off. I didn't know what they meant. I just know that all these birds from this group that are in this loft are all from the same place. There might be 1 or 2 that were really from somewhere else, but I'll say 90% easy is from running water. They're Belgian Pletnik crosses, I believe. Y'all just keep coming out. Wouldn't it be a great when I can fly all, let's say there's about 60 in there. I can get them all up in the sky. I do like just flying the boys though. I'll go in there and sit for a while and watch them. I'm gonna watch them when they act up, then I'll put a special band on the boys. Not fly them because other than the boys can breed, the ladies are the ones that lay the eggs. You know, males, they'll go around and nail every hen they can if they really want to. Especially if they're not stuck with one certain hen. I'm telling you right now, I got new birds out here right now, running around. I'm looking at their legs. I'm looking at their bands. Like that one right there. That's a baby right there. It's double banded. It's got my hidden hollow aloft with my phone number and my year band. Both of those in there, right there. Look, it's coming out. You know y'all want to come out. Can't wait till Flash comes out. Flash and Splash. Splash hasn't came out yet. That's crazy. She's usually one of the first ones out. First thing I did was I put a big pan of water out, let them get a bath. And then after they were all done, I dumped the water out, took that out of the way, and I started throwing feed on the ground on the outside, which coaxed them to the ground. The biggest thing is, if they come out and they don't fly to another state, basically, literally, Maryland is another state where they all come from, then I'm doing well. I don't really have to worry about them flying off. Once these guys learn how to go in and out, then I'll start teaching them how to trap. But for now, this is about it. They're still a little skittish if I walk up on them. Doing just fine. $28 to $30 of them out here. So I hope I'm doing it the right way. So far it's worked. Guess when it gets darker, these guys want to go inside. They're right there. That's a new bird. The one right there. He's a new bird. The one right there is a new bird. A lot of the new birds are out. More coming out now. More new birds too. You're double banded. I don't know what just scared him. The only one out here, I put Tank up so he would leave them alone. Look, there's Splash. And their Splash was out. Splash is right there. Hey, Splash. Nice when Flash comes out. Crap. I don't like it when they go in a neighbor's yard. He'll shoot them. Here he comes back. These are all new ones. You can tell. You can tell a new bird. They fly, but they don't really know how to land. Got a couple of buzzards up there. Yeah, they're landing in the trees. You know they're new. They didn't know they could fly probably till just now. He's back. One up in a tree up there. I bet he won't stay there very long. He's like, I don't want to be up here. Everybody else is down there. He's hanging out in a tree. Got one. I see one kicking it around the front yard. Kicking it. Oh, there's a crow. Yeah, there's one right there. Right there, see it? He's just flying. Let him fly. Where'd he go? There he is. He's not going nowhere. And the one in the tree is still in the tree. He'll take off here in a second when he sees the other one fly by. Always whistle when you feed them. They'll recognize that whistle. It'll help call them in. New bird's kicking it. Hope he just comes back. I had a group of these last year. A group of about 20 flew off. They're gone for over an hour. About an hour later, they come back, flew around the house a few times, and took off for another hour. Guess that's what they call strong on the wing. There he goes. He's right there. It's good to know if they can't really fly, they don't know how to land. And most likely, they haven't been flown from somewhere before. He's really kicking it around the house. That rain looks like it's starting to come in. The clouds are coming in. Where did he go? Where did he go? There he is. He's just having a good old time. Come around, look. If you can see him, he's way out there. I can see him through the trees. There he goes. He's coming back around. Here he comes. Kicked off to the left again. Where's that one's out of the tree? No, it's still sitting up there in the tree. If you can see it, white spot right up there. But anyway, he's just, I see him over there in the neighbor's yard. He's just kicking it around there. There goes one. There's another one over there. I just see him kicking it too. Right now, that was a crow. Okay. Should have known better. Anyway, that's the beginning of getting my birds straight, all my new ones and my young ones. Because actually, I believe that's a young one right there. He's got the double band. He's out flying. Let's hope for the best, and I'll keep you all updated. Y'all have a great day.